Oh, whose heart's in their throat now? Wow. Guess I should have given her a little bit more up throw. Oh, that was a good save. Hey, it's Andre. Happy Canada Day. Look what I'm flying. The FT Racer in Canadian decals. Of course, happy Canada Day. So FT Racer, one of my favorite all-time aircraft, flies exactly like my original one. This is a white scratch build kit I've had forever. Simple 3S 2200 system with a 9x6 prop, and as you saw in the video, it flies fantastic. Low, dirty, fast, exactly what I like in a scratch build airplane. I'm Andre. That's the FT Racer. Thanks for watching. Woo. Let's go medium rates. Oh, this airplane makes me giggle. Ah, this pack doesn't seem to be as punchy as the last one, but this return leg seems to be a little bit more draggy. And or I've got the hatch from the bottom a little less sealed. Who knows? Anyhow, we're flying, having some fun, getting some on board. Let's see if we can shoot some gaps with the camera on board. All right. Do some balancing. I feel like the elevator might be crooked. Whatever. One more low one. One more. I'm gonna bring her in before we cook that little battery. Woo!